calls the matter of Snell versus Herron, case number 2021-5846 DC. All parties could please state their name for the record, starting with the plaintiff, Mr. Snell.
Makai Snell.
Good morning. Your name, ma'am?
Devonica Herron.
Good morning, everyone. Today's date and time set for hearing on a motion. This matter is being done by remote technology. The contents of this video may be the official record of a proceeding of the state of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for a motion filed by Mr. Snell looking for temporary custody and to be able to see his daughter. Mr. Snell, what exactly are you asking for?
I really want like equal time to be able to see my baby. I ain't been able to spend time with my daughter.
Okay, when was the last time you saw your daughter?
June 7th.
June 7th, okay. All right. Ms. Herron, what is your position with regards to parenting time or custody with regards to the daughter, who, for the record, turns 1, I think, this October?
Yes, she does turn 1 this October. And I do not have a problem with Makai seeing his daughter, but the temporary custody, I don't think would be a good idea right now because, I mean, he's been in and out her life. So she doesn't really know him. They don't really have a bond. So I feel like that would throw her off a little bit for her to just be taken out of my custody to be placed in his custody because he don't get to see her.
Okay. What about parenting time? Does he have enough of a relationship to facilitate parenting time with the minor child?
I couldn't really say. We broke up when she was 2 months and I was really doing everything by myself. He had help every now and then, but like it was all me. I've been doing this all by myself this whole time. And lately I've been calling his phone. He hasn't answered. He hasn't bought my baby Pampers, wipes, nothing, milk, anything.
Has he signed an affidavit of parentage to be legal father?
Yes, he did.
Okay, I'm going to need a copy of that from one of you. Sir,
Okay.
she's saying she's been asking for help. Have you been helping with your daughter?
Sir, when she asked for help, yes, I have. But her reaching out to me and trying to help me and saying that she's been reaching out so I can get in contact with them and my child, that's not true.
Okay, so we got a difference of opinion here. All right, well, you have a pretrial coming up September 1st. Can you two work out something with regards to parenting time before then? Sure,
Yes.
can you do some parenting time, a few hours here and there?
Yes, sir, I definitely can. I would love to.
Okay. Ma'am, can you work with Mr. Snell and get some parenting time here and there?
Yes, I do not mind supervised
Okay.
visitations.
Well, why supervised?
Because he doesn't know my child like that. And I don't know his life living. He has a lot going on right now and he drinks a lot. Like, I'm just not comfortable yet because I don't know how he is as a parent because he hasn't been around.
Okay. Well, I'll set it for a hearing because we have a vast difference of what both of you want. So I'll encourage you to you can supervise it if the three of you want to meet up, but I'm not going to order anything today because neither one of you seem to have any idea of how to work with the other one, and I can't do that over a 10-minute Monday hearing. So we'll get a hearing date. I'll set it for 2 hours, and then we'll hear testimony from you or other witnesses as to what the parenting time should be. I'll encourage the parties to meet. Mr. Snell, if mom wants to meet with you and the child at a McDonald's or somewhere just to hang out for an hour or two, that is at least creating the bond with the minor child, okay?
Yes, sir.
We'll get you a hearing date. Any questions?
Yeah, I got one question, sir.
Yep.
She says I haven't been in my child's life and ain't been there for my child. I was the one purchasing Pampers and going to work to provide for my child. They stayed with me. And
Okay.
I feel like I could be able to have unsupervised visits with my child because I work and I have a stable house to live in.
Okay. Then we'll see at the hearing what each side evidence they present. and we'll go from there. But yeah, the supervised, we just got to get the bond going, and then after that, we usually don't do supervised. He may not be perfect, but you guys had a relationship and a child together. Yeah, he will be the father once I get the affidavit of parentage, but we can start slowly. So I'll get a 2-hour hearing set, okay? Any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am, I don't have any questions.
Okay, we'll go off the record. My staff will get you a date. Encourage visits in between that the parties can work out, please. It's for the best interest of your child. Let's work those out for a few hours here and there. It may not be what everyone likes, but at least the bond